So it's been quite a while since I've posted the unboxing video of this Realme 3 Pro on the channel. So today I'm going to do a full gaming review in 1080p 60 fps and give you some of the benchmark which I have done. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is a full gaming review of this Realme 3 Pro. Let's begin. So first of all, let me show you some of the benchmark result. In the Antutu benchmark, we have scored 1,44,000, and in the Geekbench, the single core score is 1501 and the multi-core score is 5636. So yeah, the scores are good, but as per the specification under the hood, it packs Snapdragon 710 processor, which is a octa-core processor based on 10 nanometer. The two cores are based on Cryo 360 Gold architecture and the other 6 cores are based on Cryo 360 Silver architecture. So yeah, this is the configuration of the CPU, and we have Adreno 616 GPU, which is okay in my opinion. I haven't tested it properly, so let's test it in this video. I'm going to play these 4 games: PUBG, Subway Surfer, Asphalt 9, Injustice 2, and I'm going to use this battery temperature app called battery temperature because I don't have any physical gauge to measure the temperature. So currently the battery temperature is 29 degrees Celsius. By the way, I'm in an aircon environment. So as you see right now, the battery percentage is 95. It packs 4500 mAh battery. By the way, let me tell you that this is a 6.3 inch standard TV IPS display and it looks fantastic. So let's start some game. Let's start with the very light Subway Surfers and let's see how is the performance of this game. By the way, it has this Realme game space, which is kind of a game booster in my opinion. So let's see. Well, till now it runs very smoothly as expected because this game, the Subway Surfer, is very light game. So as expected, it runs very smoothly. So no issues. So as you see, I have played that game and the battery temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. So yeah, let's open Asphalt 9 and let's see how's the performance of this game. So as you see, it's gone in the Realme gaming space and it's on a high quality. As you see, the highest quality possible in the graphics department. Now let's play a match, a race. Wow. But as you saw, the performance was pretty fantastic. No issue. Not found any frame drops or such things like that. So yeah, the performance was pretty fantastic. And as you see, the battery temperature is 33 degrees Celsius. The battery percentage is 94. Let's start the Injustice 2, which is also a very high demanding game in terms of the graphics. So guys, as you saw the match, it runs very smoothly. There are some minor frame drops I have noticed, but other than that, the gaming performance was pretty fantastic. And as you see, the battery temperature is 34 degrees Celsius, and the battery drop is just 1%, I guess, because we are currently on 93%. So yeah, let's open the most awaited and the most favorite of the people, which is PUBG. So yeah, let's play PUBG. Yeah, PUBG. When I started the game, the default setting was on high. So yeah, that's very nice. Now let's play some game. I found some stutter at the start. The graphics is on HD and the frame rate is on high, and style is on classic. I mean, you can easily block the speaker because the position is here, so when you play games, you can easily block it. But the speaker quality seems pretty fantastic, by the way. By the way, I'm noticing some type of frame drops over here, so yeah, I don't mind that. Wow, first kill. So as you saw guys, the gameplay was fantastic. I have noticed some little bit of lag or choppiness, but other than that the gameplay was pretty fantastic even on the highest graphic setting possible. And as you see, the current temperature is 39 degrees Celsius and I feel some kind of warmness over here, nothing alarming, but my god, the gameplay was pretty fantastic. I mean, I can say that you can definitely very comfortably play very high-end game in this smartphone. So yeah, no issues in terms of the gameplay. You can do purchase this smartphone for the gaming and for other graphic intensive tasks. I can do recommend this. So yeah, as per conclusion, I would say that this smartphone has pretty fantastic hardware inside, and you can definitely play some high-end games in this smartphone as well as do some highly graphic intensive tasks. So yeah, so that's all in this video guys. I hope you do find this video helpful. If you did, then hit that like button. So guys, please let me know what do you want more in such type of videos. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. If you want to purchase this smartphone, I will leave a link in the description box below from where you can purchase this. So thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.